Alright, it is a letter to myself from the end of April 2019. Actually, I've given myself full 30 days. So today is the second. Tomorrow I will start the first fresh day for my book number 1. And talking from the futures, by the end of this month, Dominic, congratulations, you have recording 365 chapter of your book number 1. And congratulations that you master this HTC skill. So now you can talk, even the script is not in the front of you, but speak very naturally. Congratulations, by the end of this month, your English skill is increasing at least 30%. So 30% every day. And congratulations you that you still in HTC and you actually complete 7-week program. And again, congratulations you that you have successful of sending your friend get her a job and get $20,000. Congratulations you again that you this month you have closed 2. You have closed 2 brother. 2 of your brother, right? For 20K cash of the immigration program, refugee. That's it. And congratulations you that you clear at least the camera that you like, the gimbal that you like, the vacuum you like, the coffee machine that you like, and the role play that you like too. Okay, this is Dominic, and this is I'm talking to you by the end of this month. You're gonna achieve this. And congratulations you that you did it. Watching this video because you're serious about this get. Okay?